Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days and 5 minutes as we go into the evening hours, getting a little busy with some showers and thunderstorms that are moving through parts of eastern Pennsylvania to southern New England. And we also have some big thunderstorms that are rolling through the southeast at the moment with numerous severe thunderstorm warnings that are up. And we always want to remind you to go to weather.gov to get all the latest weather information regarding severe weather since you're watching this perhaps later on this evening or during tonight. So you want to make sure you have the latest weather update. Here's the satellite loop with the areas in question. You see lightning strikes in the northeast in eastern Pennsylvania and over New Jersey. Also, numerous lightning strikes in North Georgia, eastern Tennessee, and in a small portion of western North Carolina going back into northern Alabama. And then there's some severe thunderstorms that are moving across Indiana and into Ohio, into an enhanced severe weather risk zone. Here's a close-up view of the Northeast, and you see the lightning strikes here from the scattered thunderstorms that have developed this late afternoon. Western New Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania. They're not really moving eastward. They're just going to play themselves out where they are and then gradually wind down. But we've got that rougher weather that is moving along in a line, and you see it here in northeast Georgia, eastern Tennessee, western North Carolina, into Alabama. A bunch of severe thunderstorm warnings as of 4:35 p.m. Eastern Time. And take a look at the severe weather moving through Michigan and Indiana. We've got numerous severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings there. Those are going to move into western Ohio in short order, and the Storm Prediction Center has a very large area of enhanced risk in that area in Indiana and Ohio. The northeast and the northern mid-Atlantic states is just general thunderstorms. The southeast is slight to enhanced risk back into the lower Mississippi Valley. And as of 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time, I just want to also give you a look here. There are 3 tornado watches that are up in the Ohio Valley and 3 severe thunderstorm warnings that are up across the lower Mississippi Valley and into the Tennessee Valley and parts of the interior southeast. Again, go to weather.gov to get the latest weather information this evening. Meantime, for tomorrow, enhanced risk has now been pushed up into central New Jersey, slight risk into most of Long Island and the Hudson Valley, northern New Jersey, down into South Carolina, and a fairly large area of marginal risk. This is for tomorrow into southeastern and interior southern New England. So it looks like we may have another busy day of severe weather there. And since we do have the chance for downpours and thunderstorms pretty much through Wednesday and maybe even Thursday of this week, we could wind up with 2 to 3 inches worth of rain when you add it all together. And remember, there's a lot of variability when it comes to the thunderstorm activity. Some areas will get more, some will get less, and it's quite possible that some areas will see very little. It'll be a matter of how they set up on the radar. We have a deep trough and a cold front to the west. The showers and thunderstorms you see around this evening, they are going to weaken and then fire up again tomorrow afternoon and evening from upstate New York all the way down into North Carolina. You see the GFS picks this up quite well. This upper low and the surface low with it are not going to be moving eastward. So we're still going to have the possibility that we could see some showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday as the upper trough inches eastward toward the coast. And it's going to be hanging around along the coast on Wednesday. So we could still see some showers and storms there. And even on Thursday, still hanging around a bit. So the risk is there pretty much every day this week, except for maybe Friday, where the activity will be confined mostly to interior New England. Nothing's really moving in terms of the west to east flow, so the muggy conditions are going to continue pretty much all week long and even into next weekend. I'm just taking a quick look here at next weekend. Saturday doesn't look too bad, but Sunday we could get into some showers and thunderstorms at some point during the day. Of course, that's all leading up to the 4th of July. We are going to talk more about this tomorrow night at 7:35 p.m. on the Joe and Joe Weather Show. So be sure to tune in. We did one this morning at 11 a.m. In case you missed it, you can find it on my YouTube library. Have a great and a safe rest of your afternoon and evening.